Another very popular question I get: Hey, Russ, what maps and apps do I use when I travel? And it's pretty simple. I only use three. I'll show you right now. First one to be weather app. I use actually AccuWeather, and there's Weather Channel, WeatherBug, and Weather Underground. They're all good. I've all used them in the past. For whatever reason, I chose AccuWeather. You get the radar, and that's critical when you're traveling. You kind of need to know, especially if you're heading out towards the east or in the central part of the U.S. when the thunderstorms hit. You want to keep your eye on that radar, so it's good information there. Second one I use Gas Buddy for fuel prices. Now, here's one thing I will tell you about Gas Buddy. You got to be a little careful because some of the cheapest gas is in these stations that are in the center of town, and you're driving a big rig, 30, 40 feet long, pulling a trailer, you're 50, 60 feet long. And some of those gas stations are almost impossible to get a big rig into. So the cheapest isn't always the best with Gas Buddy. Kind of double check it with Google Maps or something to make sure you got good access before you go chasing down that extra 3 cents a gallon savings. All right. And then the number one right here, Google Maps. You know, I'm sold on this thing. It's pretty much everything. The search with Google and Google Maps, you can type in any kind of search in any area. You can search out campgrounds, RV parks, national parks, state parks, local parks. You can get satellite views. You can zoom in right in on a street, a town. You name it, it's there. And the Google search, along with their mapping system, you just can't beat it. And it's good on the mobile phone too. And you can get directions and all that. So Google Maps, AccuWeather, and Gas Buddy. Those are the three apps I've been using for a very long time and very happy. Now, I know personal preferences. I mean, there's 1,000 other apps out there that you can use for travel. They're all good, I'm sure, but this is what I use. Okay, moving on.